Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all. My name is Ahmad Nabil bin Ahmad Shuhairil, ID number 190000769. I am from the Chemical Engineering Department. For this project, I was assigned as a member of the Media and Technical Department. My project's title is Mastering Presentation Workshop. Today, I would like to talk about my contributions before, during, and after the event. First, I will talk about my contribution before the event was being held. As a member of Media and Technical Department, I was tasked to design the poster and logo for our project. We decided that each one of us has to design a poster and we will figure out which poster is the best while making a few adjustments along the way. I was also tasked to create a template for e-certificate and create a new settings in Microsoft Teams platform to invite students. We held a few meetings to rehearse before our event to ensure the event will run smoothly. And next, for my contributions during and after the event, firstly, I was assigned to assist the students in making their Canva presentation during their group activities. This is so that they can learn how to make presentation that has been assigned to them by using this platform. I was also tasked to email the e-certificate to the students after the event was being held. The e-certificates were uploaded in a Google Drive to be categorized for each schools and will be emailed to the participants. I was also tasked to take pictures while the event is being held in Microsoft Teams. And lastly, I was responsible to assist in any part of the final report. I think that's all from me. Thank you.